Alright, we are recording. Welcome back, guys. So today we're going to do a quick flight towards the downtown area. So before we go ahead and do that, let's get authorization by the FAA to make sure we can fly out there. We're flying with our recreationally. We're not getting paid for this one here. There we go. We're not gonna go that far. We're gonna go about 1.5 miles out. Because if we go too far, then we get into that red over by Jackson Street. Okay. So yeah, that should be pretty good there. If we go wider, we're still in the orange. We're still good. About 1,000 feet wide. That puts us in the red. So we're gonna stay about there. Alright, let's head next. We're gonna fly for 45 minutes or less at 400 feet. Next. Okay, let's submit. Good. We have success. We're able to fly. No airspace authorization has been requested on your behalf because your flight plan has been submitted to your it's all good. Okay. All right, guys. So we are. Let me make sure we're still recording, and we are. We're at 100% battery. If we come to avoidance, we'll hit bypass. Camera, let's go ahead and format the disc.
The home point has been updated. Please check it on the map.
Alright. And yep. 1040p, 30 frames per minute, and we're just gonna do normal. We're not gonna do HDR or 4K for now. Just gonna do a regular flight. And last thing, control. We want to come back at 400 feet. 400 feet? Yep. Okay. Return to home altitude, 400 feet. Alright, we're good to go. Alright, guys, so let's start recording. Let's take off.
Take off. The home point has been updated. Please check it on the map.
There's the city. How about that, guys? We're gonna go up to about 200 feet and then start heading forward. Let's go ahead and rotate to the right. How beautiful is that, huh, guys? We're on the northwest side of downtown, which is like a little bit of an industrial area. Alright, let's get going. Here we go. No trains are coming by and no cars are coming by, so we're good to go. And we are going to pass this track and soccer field, but we are not, there's nobody playing right now, so we're able to fly over. We have an airplane flying by. Let's take a look and see if we can see him. Oh, he's way far, and he's going south, and he's way above us. Alright, good. Let's move forward. See that plane? He's way above the clouds. So we're doing good on the signal for now. Let's go ahead and go up a little bit higher. What a view, huh guys?
Maximum flight
Alright,
altitude.
we reached 400 feet. We're at 89% battery right now, and 20 minutes left on the flight. Let's just stop right here, and let's just look to the right. What a view, huh? Let's look to the left. Wow. That's looking north towards Altamont and Apopka. That's looking west there. All right, let's head back. Don't get dizzy. I'm gonna go ahead and switch it over. Well, I was gonna go to sports mode, but let's just go ahead and cross. Make sure there's no cars coming. Okay, we can't cross now because of this blue line that's there. So the drone stopped. We're gonna zoom out. You see that? So we're gonna stay on the outside of this blue line here.
Authorization zone reached.
Alright, so we're getting a warning here that we should exit this area, so let's go ahead and exit. We're going to switch it over to sports mode so we could fly a little bit quicker. And here we go. We're right off to the left of the highway. How about that for a view, guys, huh? There's the Fairwinds building. There you go. There's a screenshot for you. Let's see how close we can get to the tower. The blue tower. Now we're getting close to that blue area again in the map, so we won't be able to get too close. Yes, I agree. We're not in the blue yet, buddy. Wow. What a view, huh? Let's go ahead and keep flying this way. So we're completely out of the blue area. Let's look down over here. And let's check if there's anybody in the pool. Anybody? Nobody in the pool today. That's the 4 times zoom. It's amazing, huh guys? Incredible. Let's zoom back out. Another plane coming, so let's go ahead and lower ourselves to keep them safe. Let's drop down to like about 300 feet. Let's zoom back out because we are zoomed in right now. And let's start heading back. Normally you don't want to be good flying over any type of stadiums like these, but there's no games going on right now and no concerts or anything, so it should be okay. Living in Florida is amazing. We love the beaches. You've seen the videos that we made out in the beach. I just wish we actually had mountains, you know. So that's one thing I miss from living up north and visiting Tennessee and those type of places. But one of these days we'll make it out to Utah and Colorado and we'll do some videos out there. Turn off the sideways flying. I'm gonna go ahead and tap the cancel to return to home to save you guys from all that beeping, because I know that could be very annoying. Alright, so we're still at 391 feet up in the air, and we're flying back. we are. Let's go ahead and rotate. There's a huge parking space right here that had our name. It had our name, and it had reserved for us to be able to fly. You know. When you get to be a famous YouTuber, that's what happens here in Orlando. They give you huge parking spaces reserved just for you, so you could actually fly. Alright, well guys, thank you so much for coming and following us throughout this flight. It was fun. We beat the rain because it was very cloudy today, so it was kind of risky flying, but we made it back, and we made it back safe. We flew safe, and we came back safe. How about that? Alright, till next video. Again, please hit like if this was of any value to you. Hit like and subscribe if you're not a member of our channel yet. And that way you'll be able to get notifications next time that we do another video. Alright, talk to you guys later. We are out. And let's land.